My name is Elisa Livengood, and I'm an associate professor in the environmental science department here at SUNY Morrisville. I teach aquaculture, fish reproduction, fish nutrition, and environmental science courses. I have a lot of research that's happening with students that is student-focused, applied research. Research can be really impactful for student learning. Students have the opportunity to see a project and the challenges with a project. Our goal is to publish and contribute to the scientific community or to the marine aquarist community. It totally depends on who sort of could be the beneficiary constituents of this work. We have so many partnerships with industry, with state and federal agencies, particularly the DEC, so the Department of Environmental Conservation. Because of our central location, we can travel to a lot of places where we experience many different ways in which aquaculture is realized as a field. So whether it's working in a state hatchery, whether it's going to private industry, whether it is seeing an aquarium, they get to see all of that in this major. And then you take into account our facilities where they actually get to work in this and see, is this really for me? This is what a day-to-day schedule will look like at any aquaculture facility you're going to go into. And because we have that commercial production side, they really gain the applicable skills for the workplace, or they find out very quickly, like, this isn't for me. You know, it is a true litmus test in which they can see this is what a career in this field is going to look like.